Hi, this is John. Today I'm working on this Goodman furnace, high efficient system, and I was getting a fault code from the circuit board, 3 flashes, which tells me three blinks. Pressure switch does not close. Here's the pressure switch. Here's the tubing, and that plugs right in there. So basically, if this fills up with water, it'll start dripping, and then this thing won't sense adequate pressure being pulled. That means somehow water is filling this up and it's not draining properly, or this pipe is plugged up and it's not closing the switch. So this basically confirms that all the airflow through the combustion system is being see, this thing pulls air in while the fire is lighting up, runs through, and then pulls it and exhausts the carbon dioxide out through the roof. And so what happened was, when I took the tube off, it was water inside. Okay, now I'm looking at this. I'm like, well, the pressure switch is on the lowest point. I think from when this was originally installed, the pressure switch has always been in the wrong position, so they probably had these issues for quite some time. In this application, horizontal left, the pressure switch needs to be mounted up this way, up on this side. And then the tube comes up, and then you reroute the 2 yellow wires that close the pressure switch at these 2 terminals. So this is supposed to mount up here. And the pressure switch will still works, but at least now the pressure switch doesn't get clogged with water just from regular splashing and stuff. Because water is going to be in here, and it's going to be sloshing around, and there's going to be mist and all kinds of stuff going on as it's trying to vent it out. But as the water gets, the heavy part of the water that collects will just go to your collector pipe, go down through here and drain out. But this needs to be mounted up. So that's what I'm going to do, and that should solve the problem.